Good morning! Vlogmas day 3. Oh my goodness, I'm so my hair is a mess. That's number one. But I'm surprised we made it this far. Yo, skirt skirt. We had a decent time. It's only 9:36. Ow, yo. I don't know what my schedule is. How I go from one day waking up at 9 to waking up at 1:30 to waking up at 9. I don't like that. That cannot be healthy. We gotta fix this. So I'm about to actually go hop in the shower and fix that. And I'm back from my shower, guys. I feel so much better. I almost feel as if I can tackle this Vlogmas again. It's crazy what a shower will do to you. So I'm gonna actually blow dry my hair real quick because I want it to be dry when I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna film that, but I'm just gonna put music over it. So, yo. Ow. Yo. Period. I said period.
Period.
Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Okay, so I'm back and it's a little bit later. I made some food. It's currently back there. I'm waiting for it to cool off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup. So today I'm gonna do a wintergreen, that's the name that I'm giving it, look. And I have a vision sorta, and I'm just gonna go with it and see what happens. So, y'all know the deal. Let's... So guys, my makeup is now done. What do you think? So I don't know what else I'm doing today besides this, and it's 3 o'clock and I already finished my makeup. That means I can start editing already. I'm so excited. That means the video will probably be up on time tomorrow. Alright. So I think I'm just gonna chill for a little while, probably start editing this vlog, and then if I do anything, I'll pick you guys back up. Ew.
She tried it. Oh, yes. Ow. Do the leg. Oh, several legs. Ew.
Several legs. Several. You know. Ooh, that's a good one. I'm Mexican, maybe.
Oh my god.
Is that offensive? I don't know. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. But, guys, I am gonna go ahead and end Vlogmas Day 3 here. I pretty much just edited this vlog. It's done. I have to add this clip, of course, and it's like 8 o'clock, 8:30. Did not think I was going to be doing much of anything else, but guess who's here? Well, guys, guys, I'm gonna end off today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Also, feel free to subscribe and click that notification bell down below so you can stay with me throughout my 12 days of Vlogmas.
His vlogs are so good. Have you watched them?
They're not, but I literally don't even go outside. I stay in this room and I vlog. Okay, so alrighty, I will see you guys tomorrow.